first hear about OLSP?
Actually, I heard this OLSP from my friends, but it was like 5 to 6 months ago. But actually, it's very difficult to believe on, online, because I heard a lot also about for the scam,
Yeah,
spammers.
exactly.
Yeah, so it's very hard to believe. But when I searching and I saw also through my social media, because easy today to but the like this is then I search again, so the OLSP, it's like it's known all
Yeah.
about the social
So you
media.
are checking about the reviews about OLSP.
Yeah, so when I check that one